On September 10, 2022, Florida officers addressed a complaint involving a young man harassing a woman. The incident prompted their response, highlighting the significance of addressing such concerns to ensure public safety and well-being.
Okay. You understand that her mom don't want you here. She's not answering the phone.
Yeah, and I respected that. So the first time she asked me, I didn't come.
Mm-hmm.
And that was like a whole while ago. Still haven't heard now.
When
so
I said,
let me come back. Let me see if I could talk to her. I'm just trying to talk to her. I'm not doing that.
Yeah, but
all right.
I advise on 10-12.
For what though? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Why?
Well, I mean,
how am I sick?
Just can you listen to me for a second? Stop arguing with her.
For what? You don't even
Hello,
know me.
sir.
You don't know me.
Hello.
I just like your daughter. I'm trying to talk to you.
Ma'am, can you let me talk to him for a second, please? Do you want to step over here and talk? Okay. So where we at now is she don't want you here.
To your daughter. That's it.
Hello. I'm trying to speak to you.
Upon responding to the complaint, officers discovered the subject standing outside the victim's home in her private gated community. This raised concerns about potential intrusion and heightened the urgency for intervention to ensure the safety and security of the victim and the community.
Okay.
That's y'all statutes and codes. I know my law.
Okay.
So I know I could be here.
Okay.
But I'm just trying to talk to your daughter though.
Hello. Ma'am, can you
How do I know that though? How do I know that? That has to came out her mouth.
So I asked you once, and now I'm telling you. The third time, I'm gonna put my hands on you, and I'm gonna physically remove you from the property. So you walk away and you get in your car, or this is gonna turn into something that it doesn't have to be.
That's cool. But
okay.
I'm just trying to talk to your daughter. That's not.
Hey, get in your car. Where's your car?
Not cool.
Where is your car? Listen.
His car is right there.
Cool.
Okay, get in your car and leave.
Why are you putting?
Are you tensing on me?
I just explained everything to you. I told you to leave, or we're gonna put our hands on you. And you do have to leave.
Why do I have to?
I explained that
What's
to you.
Law?
She does not want you trespassing.
What,
she
no,
does not want you
that
here.
I can get arrested for?
Yes, it is.
You know that.
It is a law.
You gonna sit there
so
and
do you want to go to jail and find out? Because if you do, I will take you. You are if you don't leave.
I don't have to leave.
Yes, you do.
No.
Okay.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
You don't want to do that. Stay over there. Stay over there.
I just want to talk to your daughter.
Get out of this. Get out your house.
People just make stuff so hard. I explained it to him 3 times.
That's cool. You don't know what my life and what I've been going through.
That's fine.
If I want to talk to her daughter, I could come now. And you
no,
know
you
that.
don't.
That's
When
not
we
fair.
ask you to leave, no. When
I don't
we ask
care.
you
I
to
don't
leave,
know y'all. Y'all nobody to me.
Okay, well, you will find out when you go to,
Y'all
go to jail.
nobody to me.
Move your hand.
If I go to jail, I'm not staying there. Y'all know that. So I'm not scared of y'all. What y'all talking about, bro?
That's
y'all know I'm not going to stay in jail because that's not a law. That's a...
The female officer initiated an investigation, questioning the man about the motive behind the harassment. The man's refusal to disclose information escalated the situation, intensifying concerns about the disturbing nature of the case.
We black people. You gonna go home and look. You gonna look at yourself like, damn, I arrested a kid just cause he wanted to talk to a girl.
I got it.
Y'all gonna take off my pictures too?
Mind your business, sir.
Hey, I appreciate you, sir. I appreciate you, sir.
Call for it.
Y'all got no power, man. Y'all got no power. Y'all got no power, man. Hey, I appreciate you, sir. Love. Now I'm just trying to talk to her daughter. That's it. That's love, though.
Hello. What's going on?
A lot is going on. He's stalking me. He won't leave me alone. He's crazy. I've been recording every single time that he's come here, every single time that he's texted my phone. He's like harassing me, and he won't. Clearly, you see, he won't leave me alone.
His persistent refusal to cooperate and insistence that the officers avoid making it a serious matter contradicted the evidence presented. Throughout the investigation, he continued yelling at the officers, creating a challenging and tense atmosphere.
You don't want him here. You don't want him here.
No, we told him several times, don't come back here. You park over there, it's a fire lane, do not park there. You're not even supposed to park there. You're not even supposed to be over
How
there.
long has this been going on
This
for?
has been going on for about a month now.
A month?
A month now. This is ridiculous.
Okay,
You know
no
the
problem.
world we live in today? You can't
Yeah,
just,
it's crazy. Wait right here, don't leave. Let me talk to my partner for a second.
You can hear this. I don't want anything to do with you. Do not show up to my house again. Stop watching me and do not show up to my house again. Do you understand me? Everyone is sitting out here hearing me say this. You're hearing me say this. They're hearing me say this. Don't show up to my house again. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. You're
Okay,
crazy, you're
that's
insane,
enough.
and
That's
you need to
enough.
leave me
That's
alone.
enough.
Go to jail 'cause
That's
I wanna
enough.
talk to you. The gate open.
It's a private community.
The man tried really hard to avoid getting arrested because he was scared of the serious consequences linked to harassment charges. He cried, yelled, and even fought with the officers. However, the officers did their job well. They didn't let his actions stop them. They arrested him and put him in a police vehicle, making sure everyone stayed safe. This shows how officers have to deal with difficult situations to enforce the law and keep people protected.
Leave me alone. And I hate being not left alone.
Yeah. So go to the judge, request for a restraining order, and you could just explain to the judge that it's getting to the point where police is involved,
Yeah.
and it shouldn't be like, no problem.
They gonna give you ASAP.
Yeah. Even if it's just a temporary one, usually,
I need something. Like right now, I don't have nothing. I've been paranoid freaking
yeah,
out.
even if it's something temporary until they can get something permanent. Yeah.
Yes.
And listen, at any time you feel in fear for your safety, callers. Like if you see him around, if you go outside, you feel somebody, like absolutely call the police. Don't stop.
I've been on edge waiting for this to happen again. That's how bad it is because I knew it was going to happen again. I knew it.
Yeah.
When I'm at school, I have to watch my surroundings because he'll show up there.
That's even more reason for you to go to the judge as soon as possible and make sure you do that.
Following the man's arrest, the officers visited the victim's house to gather comprehensive details about the incident. The female victim, along with her mother, cooperated fully, providing a detailed account from the beginning to the end of the harassment. Their willingness to share precise information assists law enforcement in building a solid case and understanding the full extent of the situation.
They don't want you here.
All right, that's cool.
So what I have done is I have completed a written trespass form. If you come back on this property within this complex within a year, and police see you on the police,
how you gonna sit there and tell me that? If I want to, I could do that. And y'all can't take me to jail. You know
if
that.
police see you on the property after
can
this
see
form
me,
has
they won't,
been
bruh.
completed, you will be
That's
taken to
crazy.
jail. So
Bro, I'm not
today
scared.
is
I thought I was going to jail from the jump. Stop lying to the people.
today is
You just lied to
September.
me, said I'm going to jail.
Today
Y'all
is
sit there and lie to people when y'all arrest them. Stop lying.
today is September 10th,
Stop lying.
2022.
Yeah, just take me out
If you
these
come back
cuffs so
on
I
this
can
property
leave, bro.
before September 10th,
Bro, I
2023,
just told you you don't have no
of
power
next
over
year,
me. I do what I want to.
you will
'cause I
be
control
taken to
my
jail.
life.
so
I
do
take
not
me out
come
these
back
handcuffs,
before
bro.
next year.
What did I just tell you?
You understand what
You
I
don't
just
own
said?
me. I own myself.
Do you understand what I just said?
And no, I don't understand.
What,
You thought you were gonna
what
take me
part
right
don't
there.
you
Nah, I paid
understand?
2 times, but never the
What
3rd time.
part do you not understand?
Bro, I don't understand. That's it.
I'm about to bake
You thought you was gonna get me?
The young man was brought to court, facing multiple charges for harassing a woman and non-cooperation with officers. His actions led to legal consequences, resulting in his imprisonment. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you will never miss any episode of our enthralling series. We are looking forward to seeing you next time, so stay curious about next video.